welcome to my channel. This is my second video I've ever done, so I'm just gonna jump right into it. This is a tutorial showing you how I created this look. I get asked all the time, how do I do my signature look, which is lashes and liner. So I'm just gonna show you how I do it. It's very simple. If you follow the steps and practice, you can do wings as easy as I can. So let's do it. So I'm just gonna show you how to do an easy, simple, quick wing liner. Start off by using my favorite NYX matte liquid liner, and it's really 3 steps, and that's it. I'm just gonna show you how to do it. So I always start from the inner corner, draw the line, and then connect. Looks like it's a similar shape. Now we just fill in. Give our lashes a little mascara coating. Always mascara my own lashes and never my false lashes, so that I can keep reusing them. Just coating them because my lashes are really, really blonde, so just give a coating. You can see the difference it makes because you can see how blonde the lashes are on that side. Just pop on your favorite pair of lashes. Glue the lash. Now, here's my trick. Wiggle! Wiggle the lash. Let it get a little tacky. Then you place it on. One side, super simple. The secret is letting that lash glue get a little tacky because it'll grip right onto your lash line super quick. Thank you so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, all that stuff. Because if people are watching, I'll do it more. And comment what you want to see. If there's anything you want to see, let me know. Thank you for watching. Mwah!